from orchard to glass.
A journey of nature, science, and flavor. This is how mango juice is made. The journey of mango juice begins at dawn in vast orchards. Every mango is hand-picked with care. Farmers arrive, ready for the day's harvest.
Harvested mangoes are gently placed into crates.
Sorting ensures only the finest mangoes move forward. Trucks carry the mangoes through winding orchard roads. Precise temperatures are carefully monitored. Each mango tells the story of careful cultivation. The farmhands bid farewell to their day's work. Crates are secured for safe travel to the factory. The convoy moves steadily towards the processing plant. Nature continues its quiet rhythm as the trucks depart. The morning light illuminates the journey ahead. Preparation for the next harvest continues relentlessly. Every mango begins as a delicate blossom.
Mist rolls through the orchard, kissed.
Each mango is carefully examined before packing. Presentation matters even at the orchard stage. Machinery assists in transporting heavy crates efficiently. Every turn leaves a trail in the orchard soil. Nature and harvest coexist in perfect harmony. The final crates are loaded, completing the harvest. The mango harvest now begins its journey toward the factory. Inside the trucks, thousands of mangoes travel together. The road winds through fertile tropical landscapes. Drivers guide the precious cargo toward its destination. Along the way, communities witness the daily harvest journey. Bridges connect orchards to the world of industry. Every fruit endures the road ahead. At last, the factory rises on the horizon. This is where mangoes transform into juice. Convoys line up for processing. The gates open to begin the transformation.
Guided to station 2! Steady, keep coming forward! All right, hold position there!
The mangoes begin their industrial journey. Conveyor belts carry the fruit deeper into the plant. Quality checks begin immediately. Only the best mangoes continue forward. Defective fruit is removed instantly. Every shipment is carefully weighed. The fruit now heads toward the cleaning stage. Next, the mangoes are thoroughly washed. The mangoes are blasted clean with powerful water jets. Every surface is washed to remove dirt and residue. Rotating water baths ensure deep cleaning.
Even in water, the mangoes move toward perfection.
Clean fruit rises from the washing tanks. Every drop signals a cleaner fruit. Powerful air systems dry the fruit quickly. Strong airflow removes every remaining drop. Now spotless, the mangoes continue forward. Next comes the peeling process. Machines grip each mango with precision. Sharp blades remove the outer skin. The vibrant golden flesh is revealed. The peeled fruit advances to the next stage. Next, the mangoes are prepared for processing. Halved mangoes move swiftly along the line. The large mango seeds are removed. Seeds fall away as the pulp continues onward. Only the rich mango flesh remains. The pulp now approaches the crushing stage. The pulp is rich, vibrant, and full of flavor. Powerful machines prepare to extract the juice. The transformation into juice begins here. Massive rollers crush the pulp into rich puree. The fruit transforms into smooth mango puree. Golden puree begins its industrial journey. Powerful pumps move the puree through the plant. An intricate pipe system carries the liquid forward. The puree collects in massive mixing tanks. Powerful mixers blend the pulp evenly. The mixture becomes smooth and consistent. Next, the juice passes through filtration systems. Filters remove fibers and impurities. Clear mango juice emerges from filtration. Technicians inspect the juice for clarity. The juice moves to the pasteurization stage. Heat treatment ensures safety and freshness. Steam signals the intense heat inside. Precise temperatures are carefully monitored. Engineers oversee every stage of processing. Cooling systems stabilize the hot juice. The finished juice gathers in holding tanks. Thousands of liters swirl together. Now the juice is ready to be bottled. The bottling process begins with perfectly sterilized bottles. Machines arrange every bottle with precision. Each bottle is sanitized before filling. Next, the mango juice will be dispensed. Bottles stop exactly where filling begins.
Each bottle fills with liquid sunshine.
Golden mango juice flows into every bottle.
The factory fills hundreds of bottles every minute. Now filled, the bottles continue down the line. Machines seal every bottle tightly. A perfect seal locks in freshness. Labels give the product its recognizable look. The mango juice bottle finally takes its form. Thousands of bottles move through the facility. Human inspection ensures perfect quality. Random samples are tested for consistency. Next, the bottles are prepared for shipment. Packaging boxes are assembled instantly. Packed boxes move toward distribution. Automation organizes shipments efficiently. The finished product is now ready for distribution. From production, the juice moves into storage. Machines organize the inventory with precision. Every box is tracked digitally. The journey continues toward distribution trucks. Shipments are loaded quickly and efficiently. The cargo is secured for delivery. The finished juice begins its journey to stores. Across highways, the juice travels nationwide. Soon the juice reaches urban markets. Shipments are unpacked for retail. The product finally reaches the shelf. Rows of sunshine in every bottle. Soon, someone will discover the journey inside. A hand reaches for tropical refreshment. One bottle carries the work of thousands. The final step before enjoyment. At last, the bottle is opened. Liquid gold pours into the glass. Cold, refreshing perfection.
From orchard to glass.
A journey of nature, science, and flavor. This is how mango juice is made.